Hi, I'm Randy Fay,
And I'm Kevin O'Leary.
and we're two of the volunteers that make warmshowers.org run. I'm the webmaster
And I help out with administering the website.
and answers emails and does many, many very important things. Okay, here we are at warmshowers.org. We're going to show you how to create a new account. Here's a link that says create a new account. I'm going to click it, and here is the sign up form. There's some information for you to read here at the startup. Right now, we're just going to mention that if you put WSL at warmshowers.org on your spam whitelist, you'll be more likely to get the validation email that we're about to send you. Okay, go ahead and put in a username, Kevin.
All right, Randy. How about Kevin O?
Okay,
And let's use this email address
put in
for
an
me.
email address.
And let's try confirming it. Now we need a password. This one, though, is going to be hidden from you. I got to keep this confidential.
Don't want anybody breaking in there.
Sure
Okay.
don't.
Now, here's the address section. Some people put in their full street address, and some people don't put in their full street address. It's up to you how comfortable you are. I put in my whole street address, which actually the site then shows exactly on the map to registered members, shows exactly where I live.
I'll tell you what, normally I do too, but for this example, I'm not going to do so, just to demonstrate
But
it.
it's what you are comfortable with. You don't have to put in your whole address.
However, this is required. You have to put in your city, and you also have to put in your state or your province.
By the way, if you're on the road, we want your home address. If you don't have a home address, then put in the city and the state where you used to live. It doesn't do much good to put your address where you are on the road, because this is really about your hometown or your home or whatever. Okay, let me roll this down a little bit.
Thank you, Randy.
Now, first name, a full name, we say full name not because we want your middle name or whatever, we just want more than your first name. Okay, so now in the About You, we want an introduction. We want you to introduce yourself like you would in a group of touring cyclists, or when you're trying to introduce yourself to potential hosts or potential guests. So here's what Kevin's written. You know, we have a cat, so we try to put in ours that we have a cat in case you're allergic to cats and stuff like that. And you know, if you're vegetarian or a smoker or have allergies, you might want to put something about that. But mostly we're just saying, please introduce yourself.
Absolutely. If you have some cycling experience, you might want to talk about that.
This next little checkbox is the not currently available checkbox. Basically, anytime you're ever traveling, or you don't want guests for any other reason, or you don't have a place for somebody, you just click this not currently available, and then it won't show you on the map, and hopefully nobody will contact you for hospitality.
Right.
So are you available or not?
I am available, Randy.
Okay.
I'd love to host some of our
Okay,
members.
fill in some of this other stuff.
Okay, and luckily, I've got the home phone right there, and I have no mobile phone.
You don't even actually have to put anything in if you don't have a mobile phone or work phone, just leave them blank.
Okay, that's what I'm going to do then. And I don't have a fax number either. And I do prefer to have some notice. Probably something like 2 or 3 days should do the job for me. I'm pretty accommodating.
Okay, you put in the number of guests that you want. How many can you have?
Oh, I can probably handle 3 people very
Okay,
comfortably. Thank
put
you.
3. And then this, we'll just skip some of this distance to nearest hotel, campground. That's just try to give people an idea of what services might be nearby you, and what languages you speak might help people who speak other languages than yours.
Absolutely.
Your website is a great resource. Go ahead and put in mine, put in the Hobo Biker one.
Okay.
This allows people, when you're contacting them for hospitality, to find out something about you, and it's a credibility booster. One of the biggest things about the About Me up above here is that that's a credibility booster too. What you say about yourself is the first thing people check when you've contacted them, either as a guest or as a host. Okay.
And the more information you can comfortably provide, probably the better chance of being a good host or a guest.
Absolutely. Okay. What do you got? Bed?
I could do bed.
Food?
Absolutely.
Laundry? no lawn space, no sag.
shower, storage, and use of kitchen. I can
Okay.
handle all of those, Randy.
And then, how'd you hear about warmshowers.org?
I heard about it from the crazy guy on a bike website.
Okay, okay, so we're just gonna abbreviate that. Now we're gonna click on the bottom,
Okay,
and we're gonna say create new account. And, whoops.
looks like we made an
Okay.
error.
We're gonna go fix the error. You see it's pointed out here. We're just gonna put in the password the way it should be.
Okay, Randy.
And let's put that, click that button again.
Let's see if I typed okay this time. Looks like I did a
Okay.
little better.
Notice it found Kevin's location, and it sent him a validation email. So now we're gonna go get that validation email. It's already here. Here's the email. It says validate your account on warmshowers.org. It says please click the link below to validate your email address and enable your account. I'm gonna click on it, click, and there we are, and it says welcome new member, you have successfully validated your email address. There are a couple of pieces of information here for you that you get when you log in, and there you are, that's it. Now let's just show you how to log in. You're already logged in this case because you clicked on that link, but next time you come back, you might not be, so I'm going to click log out. Here you are coming to the website. We'll click the log in here button and put in your username or your password, either one.
Let's go ahead and try my email address, you bet. And let's do the password. Okay.
And there you are, logged in. Your account is here. We're gonna show you in another screencast how to do things like how to search for other members and that kind of thing. But you're now a member, and we invite you here to our house in Palisade, Colorado, in the U.S.
Or to Las Vegas, Nevada.
Very good. And thanks for listening.
Thank you very much.